Hey guys, it's Alok Hegde, and welcome to the second video of the series Get Back Your Privacy, where I help you regain your privacy. Right? This is like okay, fuck that. Like, share, and subscribe, and let's get this fucking started, yo. Yeah. When you hear privacy-driven apps, you hear about Signal. When you hear about communication apps, which is like best alternative to WhatsApp, it's Signal. Signal is an end-to-end encrypted app, which means that it uses end-to-end encryption to make sure that your messages are not read by anyone else. It has the same features as WhatsApp. Everything is same, but there's one little thing that differentiates it from WhatsApp, which is privacy. Privacy is the one big thing that makes it so much better than WhatsApp, right? So why should you use Signal? Huh? I will tell you because their motto is literally speak freely, and people like Edward Snowden, hopefully you've heard of him, and Jack Dorsey, okay, ex CEO, now it's that Indian guy, and I don't know these two people. Basically, a lot of important people use Signal. Okay, so why use Signal? You can share without insecurities. If only that happened in relationships, huh? You can speak freely. You can say anything, and no one will hear you. No one will be like, "Hey, cho, hey, stop." No one will say that, right? Open source means their code is visible on the internet for everyone to see, so that you can see if something shady is going on behind the curtain. There is, you can just like catch them, and yeah, and there is not, right? And only I don't say this. Millions of people say this. Millions of people think Signal is better than, okay, not millions of people. A lot of people think that Signal is better than WhatsApp. Websites such as the New York Times and the New York Times again, and the Guardian and Wired, and even people like Elon Musk have told like you have to use Signal because it is so much better. It has all the same features such as WhatsApp. It is so much better. It's not a comparison with WhatsApp, but it's mainly telling. But I'm doing comparison with WhatsApp because that is the widely used communication app there is, right? And not only that, there are way more reasons to use Signal. I'll tell you why. Because Signal is actually privacy driven. It's not just a scam. Like here's the first example. When the freaking FBI came, they're like, "Yo, bro, I want all the data you have, or I'll close your company." They're like, "No, sorry, no can do, sister," because they don't have any data. Because see, it's impossible to know data in the first place because Signal doesn't have your messages, your chat list, your groups, your contacts, your stickers, your profile, or anything. As a result, like they couldn't give out any data. Right? Here's the actual subpoena where FBI asked them. Okay, where is that? I got it. Yeah, see it. Please provide recording pertaining to the yeah. They asked data about this person, and they didn't have any data about the person, so say they couldn't give it. Right? Like they asked for subscription information, financial information, transaction history, but like if it was some other messaging app, they would have had information about financial information, their PAN card and everything, but Signal didn't, right? And you can see the response. So yeah, they are actually privacy driven, right? And here's another one. Facebook Facebook ads literally blocked them because these were their ads. This was Signal's ads. What they basically did was they created an yeah designed to show you the personal data that Facebook collects about you and sells access to. It's simple. What they did was they just showed the people who are viewing the ads the data that Facebook was collecting, and Facebook was not into that idea. They were like, "Tata, bye bye, no can do, sister." Yeah, so they just banned them right out of the gate. So yeah. So Facebook is more willing to sell visibility into people's lives unless it's to tell people about how their data is being used. Yeah. So Facebook steals data, but it doesn't want people to know how the data is being used because it will harm them, right? Yeah. So yeah, Signal is pretty legit. Yeah, and that's not all, guys. No, I tell it to you again because I want it to be in your brain forever. Why you should use Signal? Because it's open source. Open source means the code is visible to everyone. Everyone can view it. Then it's more privacy driven, as you can see. FBI came, they're like, no, fuck off, right? And their motto is literally speak freely, right? What more do you need? Then there's no ads, there's no tracking, there's nothing. There's nothing that's good, bruv. Then its UI is sexy. So sexy that it'll make you want to like look at it more. Yes. Not only that, people like Elon Musk have also endorsed it. Then Signal actually wants privacy for you, like I've told. And what else? Okay, now let's get really serious. Now I'm full joke guy. The hardest thing about privacy and Signal is not about installing Signal. The hardest thing is to tell people, hey guys, I'm using this app. Can you also use it? People will be like, no, why do we need privacy? I mean, like, it's not like they want our data, no. Like that's what most people tell. But yeah, that's what makes it hard to like push people to use more privacy-driven apps because they don't know what's happening in the background, which kind of really sucks. Now, the one thing you can do is you can share this video to them. I mean, like, if you also get turned on by privacy and open source, you can share it to them. You can be like, hey, Macha, please install this app. It's very useful. They'll be like, nope, bruv. Then you can't do anything but, like, at least my video will get views. Yeah. But, like, please share. Wet kisses. Ma. Now, the next question is most of the people know about Telegram. They're like, should we use Telegram or Signal? Because both are privacy driven and they're open source. So I'll tell you, you can use Signal if you actually give a fuck about privacy. Like, if you actually want to give kisses to privacy, then use Signal, okay? Yeah, but like, you can use Telegram because there are many advantages to it, but Telegram is not end to end encrypted. It does not use the same encryption that WhatsApp and Signal uses. So that it's not the most secure one. But there is some advantages to using Telegram. It has a cloud backup option, so all your messages don't get deleted, unlike Signal where it's stored locally. And there are also groups where you can download movies and you can meet more people, which is not there on Signal because like it doesn't want you to meet random people, which is a good thing and a bad thing at the same time. Signal is not so amazing balls. It has many disadvantages. Okay? First thing, they did a very bad thing. They did naughty. Yeah, they implemented altcoin for payment, which means they implemented some coin other than like Bitcoin for transaction payments, which is bad because no one really uses that. They could have just worked on the good features they had and made it better, but they didn't, which kind of sucks. They could have like made the backup system better. Like it sucks. Like once when you have to delete a signal on your phone, you have to make sure that that local backup file is there, no, that is like actually in your mobile. If it's not, then it's gone, and you have to remember that password also. The password is like 20 characters or something, which is like hardest thing ever, bro. Then another problem, it's only maybe for me, like signals messages go more slowly if you're using mobile data. If you're using Wi-Fi, it's just like vroom. Yeah, so that kind of sucks. And then another thing is, yeah, can't keep saying it, bro. It's hard to push people towards Signal because they're like, I don't want it, bro. No means no. I don't want your stupid app. Please stop sending me photos of how sexy Signal is. Yeah, it sucks, bro. Yeah, sucks. It's harder to get laid than to tell people to give a shit about privacy. That's what it's come to. Other than like other people coming and using it. But they'll eventually come, right? Like in the end, you are the only one who can make a change. If people really want to text you, they will install Signal to text you. So it'll also help you get to know who are your real friends, who won't stab you in the back like Brutus. Yeah. If you care about privacy and want to text your friends in a more privacy driven apps and say fuck you to Zuck, then install it. If you want to take a break from social media, but you still want to text the people and want to know what they're doing and what they're up to, install Signal, because it's not a distraction. It's what it says it is. It's just a texting app. There's no other stuff stopping you, distracting you. There's no thirst trap other than the sexy UI. Hope you install Signal and also check out my blog on Medium where I write about privacy, philosophy, crypto, and blah blah blah. Yeah, you check it out. And okay, no wet kisses because I have to drink water. Stay hydrated. Bye.